angle we're at. Hey guys, I'm literally standing on the side of the boat.
Yeah, standing up.
Yeah.
Standing up on the window.
Yeah, I'm standing on the windows, guys.
How's Liane's face? Is she smiling?
Oh, she's smiling. She's got ear to ear chagrin.
All right, Liane.
It's always great when the guy with the helmet says, "Okay, guys, be careful."
Be safe. Oh yeah! You guys having fun?
Yeah, hell yeah!
She's rocking, baby.
Yeah, she is.
Good job, Liane. I haven't even given you any main yet. We're not even using the main right now. Yeah, the main's not even there. It's only halfway up.
Oh wow!
You guys ready for some main?
Yeah.
All right.